Hey guys, welcome back. And in today's video, we will learn about tuples in Python. So what are tuples in Python? A tuple in Python is like a list and is used to store multiple items in a single variable. However, the items are ordered and fixed. Here, we are trying to create a tuple of a student. First item will be the student name, then the student's age, and finally the student's grade in school. To write a tuple, first write your tuple variable. Then, write an equal sign. After the equal sign, write a set of parentheses. The parentheses tell the computer that it is dealing with a tuple. And finally, write your multiple items inside the parentheses. Make sure to separate each item by a comma. Why do we need a tuple? A tuple can't be changed after it has been created, which means that we can't add, remove, or modify our list in any way. And since a tuple is always ordered, the index of the item always stays the same. This can be useful if we are dealing with multiple tuples that may resemble a mini-grid together, like in Excel. With tuples, we can still use indexing to find a specific item in our tuple. To use indexing, first write the tuple variable your item is in. Then, write a pair of straight brackets. And finally, write the index number you want to access. An index of 1 will give us the second item on our tuple, because computers always start with 0. So John will have an index of 0 and the number 16 will have an index of 1. If we run our code, we will indeed see 16 on our console. We now know that a tuple is ordered and permanently fixed, so we can't ever add, remove, or modify our tuple in any way by using their functions. But there are some functions we can use that will not modify our tuple. The first example is the index function. It finds where an item is according to its index. Write the index function, first write your tuple variable, then write .index. Inside the set of parentheses, write the item you wish to find. This will return a number index, and we can save that in a variable and print that variable. If we run this, we can see that our index is 1. The next function we have is the count function. It is written similarly to the index function. It counts how many times an item appears in your tuple. Since the number 16 appears 2 times in our tuple, the number should be 2. If we run our code, we can see that the number is indeed 2. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.